What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be all about my hair. My hair is naturally straight, as you can tell, and yes, this is all my natural hair. I do get questions about whether my hair is real or if I wear extensions. No, I do not. My hair is 100% natural. It's taken me years, literally years, to grow out my hair this long. So I thought, why not do a video of all the products that I use, what I use to get my curls, and then, you know, just the maintenance of it. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. The first things first, I do have a couple products here. Shampoo and conditioner that I use are this Tresemme. So this is the purple one. It's with biotin. System visibly repairs 7 types of damage in one use. I really love this stuff and I've been using it for quite some time now. I use this in the shower, obviously, you know, I wash my hair every other day, that sort of thing. And they smell really, really good too, honestly. Yeah. Then this is the hairspray that I use. This is the Curl Hold Level 2. I use a little bit of this after I'm done curling my hair, just to hold my curls in place. For the longest time, I never used to use any kind of hair product because I just didn't feel the need to, and I decided that maybe I should invest in a hairspray because my curls just tend to fall pretty easily because my hair is so straight. So I decided to pick that up and I actually really, really love it. And then this last product that I have is also Tresemme. This is their heat protectant. I put it into my, like, the ends of my hair right before I'm gonna curl it, just to help with the damage, because obviously no one likes split ends. And to be honest, it does really work because I don't find as many split ends as I expected to, especially considering that I curl my hair literally almost every day. This stuff works really, really well. I love this stuff, and I go through these bottles pretty quickly because I spray very liberally. And then the one curler that I do use though is this one. This is my Pro Beauty Tools curling wand. I believe it's a 1-inch barrel. I bought this one at Target a long time ago. When I pick up a curler and it works really well, I tend to just stick to it. I don't really venture off and try new beauty tools. I feel like, you know, you find one that works really well, why would you want to switch it out? The one that I used to have before this completely deteriorated was my, I think it was Conair. Also a 1-inch barrel. It was a silver one, super old. I mean, a long time ago. The clamp just kept, like, I'd have to hold the clamp down because it was so loose, and I'd tighten it and then it would become loose within like 2 to 3 uses. So it was just old, and it finally one day just gave up. It stopped heating up, and so I had to get rid of it, and that's when I bought this one. This is the one that I use to curl my hair every day, and I will show you guys how I use it. And of course, I do also have an elastic. I just use a little scrunchy hair tie. So that's it for the products. I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair now. It's just heating up. I always put it at 2 dots after 375. I don't want to figure that out right now. Yeah. I usually start by putting my hair up in a ponytail, and I know it might seem kind of weird, but this is just how I do my hair. Doesn't need to be perfect, doesn't matter, whatever. And then what I'll do is I'll split it into 2, and then I'll take the heat protectant, and this one's kind of cool because it's got a little lock on it, so you're not, you know, spraying unnecessarily everywhere. So you'll unlock that, and then I will just spray like towards the end. I don't really do the top, I just spray it towards the end. Okay, and let that. Oh, also, I don't brush my hair. I literally never have to brush my hair because it's just so straight that it naturally becomes detangled. I will also just spray this side like that. Take like little strands of hair like this, and I take the curler, and I don't use the clamp. What I do is I take the hair and actually wrap it around the barrel and just hold it. I know that they make wands specifically for that, but I don't like the wands. The curls just come out too tight for my liking, so I don't use the wand. I just hold it for a little bit and then I let it go. I do like to shake it out a little bit. I don't like the tight curls. And I'll take another piece. Same process. And then if I feel like the bottom didn't get as curled, I'll just focus on the bottom part. See? And then I've got one last strand here. Just wrap it. Okay. So let that fall. So that's how I do it. And then I'll do the other side. I'll turn a little bit. And then, so I switch the curler from one hand to the other when I go from one side to the other because it makes it easier this way. I do like that it's got this little black piece here at the front because I tend to rest my hand there. So sometimes some that don't have that, it can get dangerous. You can burn yourself. You don't want that happening. And I'll let that fall. Turn it over. Literally just repeat the same steps. All right. So now that all my hair is done, then what I do is I take the elastic out, and then what I like to do is I like to take, because I have these smaller hairs here that come inward, see how they're in? I hate when they do that. I take my curler and I just curl them out. And this part you want to do very carefully because you don't want to burn your face. The pieces that frame my face, I just go in and curl again. These ones I don't hold as long though because I don't want them to be super tight around my face. I'm getting tangled in here. But this here, I will try to hold a little bit longer so that the curl is out of my face. See, kind of like that, like it's out of my face. And then this, I'll just, and then let go. I'll just take random pieces to curl from the top because I don't like that it looks like super flat. And I curl. And then I'll really just look and see, you know, what pieces need a little bit more curl. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm sorry, I don't want to burn my face. There's a little bit. I'll start from the top because I want it to have a little bit more volume. See? Boom. I really want to curl those too. Ooh. Very nice. Okay, so sorry, the memory card got full. Okay, my hair's basically done. This is how I curl it, and then the last step that I do is I take the hairspray and I will just spray my hair. I like to start here by my face first. I will spray there and go like this so that the hair is kind of out of my face, and then I will take and I will spray the rest of it just like that. And then I do crunch it up so that the curls stay. Same thing, like that. Like this. And just crunch it up too. This is how I do my hair. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.